Okay guys, for all you people that have not been to Benidorm before, we're going to take you up the strip. Got the Flash Hotel over there. And you got the Calypso just at the end there. Great if you enjoy your night set. Right, we're going to take you along the, what they call the bridge strip. All bars. You'll know this place if you're a fan of Benidorm. Morgan's there. And Neptune's. It's all one bar, guys. There we go, that looks a little bit better, doesn't it? Pump it up a little bit for you. I have some great shows on there. I think it's 8 shows I have on there a night. Goes down a little bit over January time. Probably go down to about 6 shows. Next door you got the Last Stop. Got the food in there in the daytime, karaoke bar at night. I think they have the football on in there as well. Waikiki next to that. Great bar shows on in there. It's Friday along the bar strip, you've got hotels as well. Got the Rue d'Or there. That's a great hotel, just been done out last year. There we go. You got the Ambassador there. That was done out a couple of years back. Completely redone all of it. Just over there you got the Palladium. Shows on, watch how drunk you are when you go in there. They're obviously not too fussy. Once you've had a few, they like to chuck you out. Square there on the corner, food and beer. And down that way you got the famous black chicken. Got some good nights in there. That's like a disco, karaoke type of thing. Got John and Joseph's there. I've been wondering whether these two are the same bars, but obviously not now. And JJ's next door. JJ's, brilliant food in there. I've used that a lot since we've been out here. And you got your supermarkets as well, as usual.
Very nice.
Kebab shop. It's a good mix down here. You've got plenty of kebab shops, places to eat. Plenty of bars. Most of them are pretty good as well. Yeah, there's only really one I've found that wasn't very good. There's one of the Indians down here. I'm not going to mention the name, I don't want to give them any advertisement. Western Saloon Bar there. Busy night bar that. Busy in the days. Well, especially in season. how many people are about. Absolutely packed down here. Hotel California there. Everybody's got a camera down here. So you've got a load of these little shops down here, little supermarket shops. Crane prop up on the end. More of the takeaways. All takeaways seem to be on this side. And the pubs and bars obviously are facing them. Crane. Good drinking there. Some there on the right name change there. I don't know what that's like, I've not been in since I've redone it. Rock. Great bar.
Where can you find the others?
Rockefellers. Great accent in there. You see Tony Scott, if you don't get offended easy. He doesn't mean anybody anything by it. He just hates everybody. Here's one of Tony's lines that. Got the red line there. Trying to get across the road. There we go. Yeah, the red line there. If you're my age, it's probably one to be avoided, really.
You must be very good at this.
But there we go. There we go. It's a kids' pub and it's not one of the best kids' pubs. You know what I mean? Teenagers, older teenagers. They serve anybody in Benidorm. Right, so here we go. Hi guys. And up this way we've got Loch Ness and the Outback. Okay guys, I'm going to leave it here because I'm going to have to sort this inlet. It's wobbling about a bit. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. See you on the next one. Bye.